Yo, what's up guys? How are y'all? Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we are again going to play Minecraft. So this is episode number 3 and let's see what we can get into this video. And I wish we can get diamond so we can make the armor. Diamond armor, I really need one. I just have iron armor right now. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get into it and let's see what we can achieve. So okay, just a second. Okay, and we're good now. Oh shit. Oh yes. So guys, this was going on like last time when I played off screen evil. Two skeletons I saw and they started to fight each other. Uh, Guys, you can see what is happening here. Oh my god. Everywhere there are arrows in me. Just a second, let me quickly check and okay. And brightness should be bright. And okay. So guys, let's go. Oh wow, some more iron. And guys, I think I lost my place. I lost! Probably. So guys, let's quickly go. Okay. What is what is going on? Oh, okay. Got it. This is the way back home. I found it. I guess here. No.
खत्म बाय
Oh
बाय
shit. Okay. Guys, literally, I thought I'm dead. My game is over. That was right behind me. Yeah, I guess I'm good. We get this crafting table and
yeah boy
where to go then? I guess so that down there is water. If water, so I guess we need to go up there. I guess this is the area where I made that. It's lucky. But they killed me. I mean, they did so many things that my legging even is not anymore. R.I.P. legging. Okay. So let's. Oh, why? This one stone and this one stone. Literally, I don't even have stone to climb up. Um, yeah, I think I'm almost there. Just need to go a little more higher. And yeah, I think I'm back on. Yes, guys, yes. We're back onto our place. I haven't lost the balance. Guys, I have already one diamond, but I don't have any more. I guess I'll keep this in here. I should put this in there. I don't need it anymore. This, and this. Yeah. Oh, oh wow, 15 iron. Good, not bad. Just gotta put these here, and I think I'm done with the level 2. And this one I just need to wear. And is there some gravel here? Gravel. Where are you, my dear gravel? Whenever I travel at that time, it's not available. Why? No, but tell me why. Got it. No garage. Oh yes. Let's see. When will we go? I guess this much gravel is okay. Let's go back to our base and mine it. So just gotta place a little water.
2000 years later
Guys, just check out how satisfying it is. Okay, let's see guys. I just yes. Give it a drop. Okay, got this thing here, and quickly let's make you know what to make here. This I think these are the things I was looking for. Guys, I'm thinking I remember this cave area right here, And now I'm thinking let's make our base. Guys, you just saw that, but was a voice over there. So, okay, let's quickly get this. Yeah, and this thing. From this only, I'll get the important things like this, this, these. Yeah, these are important guys. These. And except that, I don't think I need anything else. This thing is very important. Except that, guys, let's go up, mine some wood, and then make our house up there.
Okay.
This elevator is so slow. Repair it. I will never come to this type of hotel again. Is this even a hotel? Answer me this.
Nay.
But two zombies. They can't even slow me down. Two. Attack was also good one.
What?
But no defeat. Guys, I was thinking, where should we build our home? Come on, my dear. Uh, hey creeper, you also come in. Blast. Thank you. Oh, oh, I got scared. I fell into a Oh gosh. Guys, let's continue going on. Let's see where do we find some place to build our home. Loading. Ping, ping, ping. Come on, man. Oh, waste. Waste of time, zombie. Okay, guys. Yeah. I guess on surface is better. Cause in cave all the time there are zombies and this and that. I'm not scared of them, but you know all the time they'll break the door, annoy me, and blah blah blah. But better to build a surface home. I'm gonna go back here, and here is the exit. Ooh, finally some natural light. Okay, alright. Let's first find a good area where we can make our home. Or I wish if we find a village. Because I think we have enough resources. Diamonds we can I guess find on any other area too. Oh, wow, some cows. Thank you. I don't have some wheat or I can tame a horse. Thank you. And the last cow. Whee! Thank you. 1 second. 5 leather. I can make a leather. I guess helmet for me. Yeah, but I don't need one. So let's quickly move on. I hope so we can find a village. Why isn't there any village in there? Where is a village? Is there even a village here? I guess let's collect this wood and build our house to end up. Because I don't think there's even a village in this area. This thing. Damn me. This is so annoying. There isn't even a village in the area. Like, not a village, so there aren't even trees in this area. What is there? Oh wow, some sheepies. I can get some wool, please. Wool, please. No running away. Thank you. Oh, finally the last piece. Yay! Oh, hello, Donkey. Funny. Just got to get this one. Hello. Um. What? Like, what even is this? This is like when we started this world, guys. So this world was so awesome. Like, there was a cherry blossom right next to me, and now not even a village here. I guess let me get a quick piece
Emotional
and then let's go
damage.
to sleep and make our small base here. Huh. Okay, I hope. Yeah, this much is enough. I think. Yeah. Let's first quickly. 1 second. Where's my crafting table? Yeah, here's crafting table. Um, Let me quickly. What do you call that? This, this, this. Wait a second. Yeah. Now we're good. And this. Thank you. Oh no. There's already an enemy above us. Among us. I hate spiders. They're so dirty. Okay, just quickly got a there's a bed here because there are a lot of mobs here. And let's go to sleep. And as soon as we wake up, we'll have a very good area. Well, we will. No, no, no!
खत्म.
Please, please.
बाय बाय. टाटा. गुड
Oh
बाय.
my
गया.
gosh! Shoot! Thank God. That means nothing big happened. Let's quickly place this bed here, and let me make area for us so that we don't die. Otherwise, until even if I leave the game, I don't think this people is gonna leave me at all. Just gotta do this and almost butter and oh, mm, 2, 3. I guess, guys, for right now this much. In next video we'll do it. Now let's quickly only get this butter. Okay, guys. We are surrounded now. So, okay, guys, for today this much. Okay, guys, so for today this much. I hope so you would have liked the video. So for today this much. In next video we'll also make our base. So okay, guys, don't forget to like my channel, like my video, subscribe to my channel Zono Khan Vlogs, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.